All right, my viewers. So let's just see what is it that we can see about the ongoing issue in your mind. Keep that in mind that it is a general reading, yes, but it shall resonate to your particular situation if you've landed on the reading. So what am I seeing in your issue that you have is somehow it has been very hard for you to balance things at the moment. Somehow there is a big imbalance going on in your life. We're trying to juggle a lot between your work, between your family. It can be a situation, it can be a relationship, and it's like you're trying to maintain balance a lot. You're going through a rough patch. I can see that. This is a bit of a rough patch. It is being really hard for you to maintain the balance, but you are doing a good job. Let me tell you, you are doing a great job at the moment. But you feel it is a kind of an infinite loop that you are just dealing with. It's like some things go better and then they fall in again, and then again you put an effort to give them a rise, and again a wave comes and takes you offshore. So it's like kind of an ongoing issue going on in your life. If it is regarding the finances, as I said, yes, there are several scenarios, and then see it can be a relationship for few of you, it can be finances for others, it can be a work situation, or it can be a work and home balance. It can be that you're trying to maintain a balance between your home responsibilities and your work responsibilities. You're trying very hard. You are trying to put in kind of 99% of your brain into this task. I can see that you're very involved, and it is taking a lot. It is kind of taking you for a toll. But good thing is that you're being able to maintain the ground. Okay, so appreciate yourself, pat your back, and let's see. Oh wow, I am seeing, but universe is seeing all your struggle, and very soon a balance will come, which will happen automatically. You know, the things that you've been trying to manage or balance or trying to just move through, things that were hard for you until now, they are going to be easy now. Divine guidance, divine blessings, divine awareness is coming to you, which will help you maintain this balance. Yes, you have to maintain the balance. That is what I'm seeing. It is something that, yes, you have to. But until now, you were finding it hard to maintain. But now it will be very smooth for you because some of it you've learned through your experience, but most of it is coming as universal blessings for you. The wisdom that you have attained, it is going to help you. And yes, the wise ones, the higher beings are there by your side to help you maintain the balance. The balance is important for you at the moment. And yes, God is there to guide you. The more you are towards the righteous sides of the decision, you will do well. Don't worry. And until now, you have acted very wisely. You acted in a very good balance. You have maintained the right sides always. I'm not talking about the right and left of the brain. So I'm not saying that, but I am saying you always maintained the right side of the decision. Whenever you were in that dilemma of taking a decision, whether to do this first or that, you have always stick to the right path, which is what you'll be rewarded with. So don't worry about the situation, however hard it seems at the moment. It is very soon going to be handled by the universal energies. They are going to bless you with more power, bless you with more wisdom, bless you with the right approach to handle things. And approach is something that even if you have to handle, it will feel light for you, right? At the moment, the more you think about the heavy part of it, the more burdened you feel. So you'll just get enlightened towards how to maintain things in a right way. So that's all about your current situation. You can see that clarity is coming to you very soon. I'm wishing you all the best, and I'll see you next. Bye-bye.